4-bed 2.5-bath 2-story custom-built open floor plan brick home with full basement. Large kitchen with tons of cabinet and counter space, including large island that has room for seating. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances and is open to the great room, where a dual-sided fireplace provides a beautiful focal point. Dining room is just off the foyer and kitchen. Solid oak hardwood floors throughout the first floor. First floor master suite has freshly renovated walk-in closet along with a private bath that has dual sink, vanity, jetted tub and separate shower. Basement rec room has large wood bar, new carpet and paint, Anderson windows and sliding door, custom with matching blinds throughout, new in 2017. Solid wood 6-panel doors with matching baseboards and casings, enormous 3C air garage with space for a workshop backyard.